Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are doing a plan with me video, and I have some beautiful, super fun ocean scenic stickers. So these are from Thatcher, and they are just gorgeous, and they remind me of sunny summertime, nice beach theme, ocean air, salty hair. And so I will have a link for her below, and of course if you watch my videos you know that I will upload this PDF into my Cricut Design Space software so that I can print my own stickers. And this is how they come out. Is that focusing? So cute. I love Salty Weekend. Isn't that adorable? I love the colors. I love the beachy theme. I love the shells. And oh, the sunglasses are course adorable. Aquaholic, super cute. There's a couple extras, and I picked out some washi that I think I'm gonna use. I thought these colors would look really cool, so let's get started. Okay guys, so again this is a plan with me video, and I'm using Thatcher's beach theme, Salty Weekend, Ocean Air, Salty Hair, super cute. I have picked out my washi that I will probably use, and let's see, this is for the week of June 18th through the 24th. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being here with me again today. If you're not yet a subscriber, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but hit that subscribe button and play along with us. So I'm going to get started here, and we're going to see how it turns out. As you know, I like to have a cocktail. I like to play some music, so that's what we're going to do next. Pull up a chair, get your planner, have some fun with me, and let's get going. Hey guys, so I think this is it. What do you think? I love it. Still trying to leave lots of white space because this is all of course before the pen. I do write on here my appointments and whatnot, so got tons of white space available. I love the theme, ocean and seashells. I think the glitter washi turned out really cute. And I think that's it. So I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, please, if you enjoyed it. And if you have any comments, questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for being here with me. And we got lots of good stuff coming up. So I'm still looking for more questions. I'm going to do that Q&A session coming up. And I have several tutorials that I've already started recording, so those will be coming up really quick. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I did want to point out, when I cover up the holes where my rings go in, I do use my Happy Planner paper punch to clear those out before I put it in my planner. So not a problem. I stick it in the Happy Planner paper punch, and it all goes away. So here, let me show you. So since I use several different size planners, I have the classic size Happy Planner Create 365 paper punch. It is max 3 sheets. And I also have the large, because I do use the large for my journaling and my personal tracker too. So I use these anytime I maybe have a sticker or washi or anything that covers up my holes. I will just paper punch it, and then we're good to go. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video. Please remember, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you guys.